Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Figma for designing accessible color contrast UI detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with Figma for designing accessible color contrast in your UI, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Figma website by entering the URL in the address bar. If you don't already have an account, click on the Sign Up button to create one. Once you've logged in, select or create a new design file to start working on your project. To ensure accessible color contrast, familiarize yourself with the WCAG guidelines. These guidelines state that the minimum contrast ratio for normal text should be 4.5 to 1. For larger text, the ratio should be at least 3 to 1. Next, select an element in your design to apply color. Open the Fill section in the right panel to choose your primary color. To test contrast, you can use Figma's built-in tools or third-party plugins. One popular plugin for checking contrast is Color Contrast Checker. Install this plugin by going to the plugin menu and selecting Browse. Open the plugin from the menu to launch the Color Contrast Checker. Input your text color and background color into the plugin. Review the contrast ratio displayed by the tool. If the ratio is below the minimum requirement, adjust your colors accordingly. Try using darker shades for text or lighter shades for backgrounds to improve contrast. As you modify colors, keep checking the contrast ratio to ensure compliance. You can also use Figma's Color Styles feature to manage your color palette more effectively. Create styles for text and backgrounds to maintain consistency across your design. Explore different color combinations to enhance both aesthetics and accessibility. Once satisfied with your color choices, document them for future reference. This ensures you maintain accessible standards throughout your project. Finally, review your entire design for accessibility, keeping color contrast in mind. By following these steps, you'll create a visually appealing and accessible UI using Figma. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.